So let's say you want to attend the career fair. First thing you want to do is research the employers that are going to be there. So you want to come in with a plan, kind of know what's going on before you walk into a career fair. What we're going to do is we're going to go into Handshake. Now on the left side, you have your list of default tabs that pop up after you log in. I am going to click on the Events tab here. And the Events tab are going to show you all the upcoming events. Now, because it's later in the spring semester, we don't have any spring fairs or fall career fairs listed in here that are upcoming. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and search for a past event and kind of walk you through as an example here. So after we've searched for and found the career fair through the Events tab, what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on the career fair. After we click on the career fair, it's going to take you to the default page. And it's going to have a couple of tabs on here that are going to be really helpful. So let's say I want to research which employers are going to be there. What I'm going to do is just click on this tab right here that says All Employers. After I click on that tab, by default, it's going to display every single employer that's going to be there. So if you want to be really thorough and look through every single employer that's going to be there, you can do that. Now, if you want to filter it out, we have a few options. For example, on the left side right here, let's say a student is looking for an internship. Well, under this job types category, we can click on internships. And what that's going to do is filter out employers that are just offering internships. Now, you might notice when you look on the right side and list of results, all of these look a little bit collapsed. So what I'm going to do, if I want to find out a little bit more information, I'm going to click on View Details. What's going to happen is it's going to expand, and it's going to give you a little bit more information on exactly what they're looking for, like whether you're a freshman, sophomore, junior, senior, areas of study, what they have available, and so forth. But let's say you're looking for an internship. You're going to want to go through here, look at the companies, and essentially do the same thing. Click on View Details. It's going to expand and again show you some more information, like different jobs they have, different majors they might be looking for, whether freshman, sophomore, junior, senior, and so forth. Now let's say you're looking for a job. What we can do is get rid of that internship option right there, and let's just click on Job right there. And there's going to be 166 results. So as we go through here, we're essentially going to do kind of the same thing. So we're going to click on the View Details option. And again, just going to give you a little bit more information, including things they're offering, what years they're looking for, what degrees they might be looking for too. But let's say you want to refine your search just a little bit further. So you might want to know okay, well, what majors are they looking for? So we can click on View All for the majors. And let's say let's say you're a chemistry student. You want to find employers that are interested in talking to chemistry majors. So I'm going to grab this here. Let's just say chemistry. And now I'm going to click Done. Yeah, and this is going to filter out jobs that are interested in hiring chemistry majors. And you will do the exact same thing. You can feel free to go through this whole entire list here, click on View Details, and it'll expand and give you more information on essentially what they're looking for. There are some employers who will have more information listed, some of them will have less, but that's part of doing your research, just really going through all these results here and just making sure they kind of line up with what you're looking for. They're looking for someone with your major, your school year, and so forth. But yeah, that's how you use a Handshake to get ready for a career fair and essentially research employers.